and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about symbols and valency. So first of all, what is a symbol? A symbol is a short form of elements. It's really simple, right? Okay, now let's look at this picture. These are the symbols used by Dalton to represent some elements. Let's discuss this detailedly. These are the pictorial representation. The first one is hydrogen. It's represented as a circle with a center. The next is carbon. It is a circle with a shaded area. The next is oxygen. It's just a circle. Didn't you feel this pictorial representation a bit difficult? Yeah, it's a bit difficult. So later, another scientist named Berzelius suggested the first letter of an element written in capital should be used to represent the element. Look at this picture. The first is hydrogen. It's represented with the first letter of hydrogen, which is H. Similarly, sulfur is represented with its first letter S. And nitrogen with its first letter N. But we cannot represent all the elements in this manner. Do you know why? I will explain. Let us take the elements carbon, calcium, chromium, chlorine and cobalt. Here O starts with C. So we have to take the second or third letter with the first letter as its symbol. Let's take a look at this picture. Here the symbol of hydrogen is H. So we can't take the letter H again for the element helium. Hence its second letter E is used with its first letter as its symbol. Thus the symbol of hydrogen is H and helium is He. So the important thing is the first letter is capital while the second is small letter. That is very important. But there are so many elements with the same letter. So some elements use its Latin name as symbols. Look at the table here. Here the element gold's Latin name is Ora. Hence the symbol is Au. Similarly, the silver's Latin name is Argenta. Hence the symbol is Ag. Mercury is Hydrargyrum, symbol Hg. Copper, Cupra, symbol Cu. Lead, plumber, symbol Pb. Iron, Ferra, symbol is Fe. Sodium, natrium, symbol is Na. Potassium, Kalium, symbol is K. Tin, stannum, symbol is Sn. Antimony is tibia, symbol is Sb. And tungsten is wolfram and the symbol is W. That's all for symbol. Now let's move to the valency, our next portion. So first of all, let me ask you a question. What is a valency? So valency is the capacity of an atom to give, accept or share electrons to achieve stability. We discussed in the last class what is an atom. What is an atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist independently but take part in a chemical reaction. Atom is chemically unstable. To attain stability, atom combines. The outermost shell of an atom is valence shell. This valence shell contains 8 electrons. When an atom combines with another atom, 3 possible things are to happen. First, atom can donate an electron. Second, atom can accept an electron. Third, atom can share an electron. For what reason atom donate, accept and share an electron? To attain stability. Look at this picture. The first figure is sodium. Atomic number of sodium is 11 and its electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 1. So, the outermost shell of sodium contains only one electron. So, to attain stability, sodium atom donates this one electron. When it donates one electron, what happens? It changes into sodium ion. So, the valency of sodium atom is 1 because here it donates one electron. In the second picture, chlorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell. Here, when chlorine atom combines with the other atom, it attains stability by accepting one electron because the outermost shell contains 7 electrons. To donate or share an atom is difficult. So, it accepts one electron. Therefore, the valency is 1. In the third figure, it is carbon. Carbon has 4 electrons in the valence shell. To attain stability, carbon atom shares 4 electrons. So, valency is 4 in carbon. Next figure is neon. In neon, there are 8 electrons in the valence shell. So, it is chemically stable. So, the valency of neon is 0. All noble gases except helium have 8 electrons in its valence shell. So, the valency of noble gases except helium is 0. So, I hope you all understood what valency is. Valency is the capacity of an atom to give, accept or share electrons to achieve stability. Hope you all understood this class. We will continue the balance portion in the next class. Till then, thank you and have a gorgeous day.